Open with Emily's life as she saw it, a picture-perfect marriage filled with love and trust. Introduce her husband, David, as a man of mystery, kind yet guarded. Set the emotional hook. What would you do if the one you trusted most had a secret they never shared? Describe Emily's life with David, a life filled with laughter, shared dreams, and small tender moments. Introduce the theme of unanswered questions. Why was David so private about his past? Plant the first seed of doubt in the audience's mind. Narrate the strange phone call Emily receives, a soft voice asking for David and mentioning the past. Highlight Emily's growing suspicion, her heart wavering between fear and trust. Build suspense. What could David be hiding? Stories like this remind us how little we may know about those closest to us. If you're intrigued, click the subscribe button and stay with us for more captivating tales. Narrate Emily's discovery of old letters addressed to David, written by someone named Clara. Describe the contents, emotional, regretful, and cryptic, mentioning a secret shared between them. Paint Emily's turmoil, her heart heavy with questions and fear of betrayal. Detail Emily's confrontation with David, her voice trembling as she asks about Clara. Reveal David's confession. Clara is his estranged sister, a painful part of his past he had hidden out of guilt. Highlight the emotional impact, David's vulnerability, and Emily's realization of his pain. Reflect on how the truth, though difficult, became a path to healing and deeper understanding. Leave viewers with a poignant thought. Love isn't about perfection. It's about standing by each other, even when the truth feels heavy. Call to action. Have you ever faced a moment where truth reshaped your understanding of someone you love? Share your story in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more heartfelt stories that inspire and move you.